Hello guys, Madi here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to ollie. Get your fingers comfortable. The first step is to pop that tail back so the board leans on your fingers. The second step is to move that finger along the board, so when you pop it stays under your fingers, wet. The third step is to combine all of the things above and try your first ever ollie. Also remember to not pressurize your board with your fingers or you won't ollie. The slow-mo will help you with it, as you can see the fingers moving. The learning process will probably look like this. Here is what you can do with this trick. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.